Hello and welcome everyone on this official platform of Legacy IS Academy. So today in this session I'm going to discuss one of the most important geopolitical issue, and that is related to Bangladesh. As we all know that there is a change in regime in Bangladesh and Sheikh Hasina has already left her country and a military regime came and interim government is formed. Now the most important thing here is still Bangladesh is not in a position to bargain with India. अब सभी लोग सोच रहे होंगे कि regime change हुआ इंडिया के लिए सही नहीं है, but there are various things which are connected. So we can say that the most important thing, Bangladesh is not in a position to bargain with India. Now the question here is, what are the reasons why Bangladesh is not in a position to bargain with India? So let's understand the most important thing. So this personality, Muhammad Yunus. So Muhammad Yunus and BNP, Bangladesh Nationalist Party, they are trying to extradiate Sheikh Hasina, but they won't be able to do this. Now the reason is why. अब ये चाहते हैं कि शेख हसीना को हैंड ओवर कर दिया जाए. Clear, because India is protecting Sheikh Hasina and India has given refuge in India to Sheikh Hasina. तो अब ये लोग चाहते हैं कि शेख हसीना को हैंड ओवर कर दिया जाए. So Muhammad Yunus and BNP is trying to extradiate the Sheikh Hasina, but they will not be able to lose this. Now the question here is why. Now you need to understand India's foreign policy. कि अब इसके पीछे इंडिया की फॉरेन पॉलिसी क्या है, इकोनॉमिक डॉट्स क्या हैं, और जब आप ये सुनेंगे आप सभी को इंडिया की फॉरेन पॉलिसी पे प्राउड फील होगा विद रिस्पेक्ट टू दिस. नाउ बहुत सारे लोग क्रिटिसाइज भी करेंगे एंड क्रिटिसिजम्स आर ऑलवेज वेलकम. क्लियर. नाउ द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग दैट वी नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड हियर इज दैट with respect to Bangladesh, we need to understand the power trade between India and Bangladesh. So first try to understand the electricity trade between India and Bangladesh. तो अब हम जब electricity trade की बात कर रहे हैं तो इसीलिए अब हमें समझना पड़ेगा कि सबसे important डॉट क्या है जो इन सभी चीजों से कनेक्टेड है. Now if you see power exports, अब अगर हम बात करें पावर एक्सपोर्ट्स बिटवीन इंडिया एंड बांग्लादेश, सो इफ यू सी टोटल एक्सपोर्ट्स ऑफ इंडिया बांग्लादेश, सो आउट ऑफ टोटल एक्सपोर्ट 9.3%, it is approximately 9.3% of India's total exports to Bangladesh. so इलेक्ट्रिसिटी कितना हम एक्सपोर्ट करते हैं, 9.3%. अब सबसे मजे की बात यह है that the total electricity export to Bangladesh is in the control of Adani Power. Yes, total electricity exports is under the control of Adani Power. ये किसके कंट्रोल में है? अडानी पावर के कंट्रोल में है. Clear? Now if you see the graph of 2023 to 24, Adani Power has exported $1 billion electricity power to Bangladesh. Yes, Adani Power has exported $1 billion electricity to Bangladesh. I hope this one is clear to all of you. So as you can see here, the data. So Adani Power exported $1 billion electricity power to Bangladesh in 2023 to 2024. Now, अब इंडिया में एक ऐसी जगह है जिससे बांग्लादेश बहुत डरता है, and that place is in Jharkhand, Goda. There is a place in Jharkhand called as Goda. Now as you can see here on your screen, this place Goda and this power plant. Now this place has such power that even Bangladesh trembles with fear. इस प्लेस के बाद इतनी पावर है कि बांग्लादेश इससे बहुत डरता है. Why? Because the electricity power plant of Adani, which exported $1 billion of electricity to Bangladesh is located in which region? Godda region of Jharkhand. तो जो इलेक्ट्रिसिटी पावर प्लांट है अदानी का $1 बिलियन जो जिसने एक्सपोर्ट किया 2023 to 24, that is situated in Jharkhand region, that is Godda. Clear? So this Godda power plant की अगर हम बात करें, this is the special economic zone. As you can see here, this Godda power plant is the special, it is the only special economic zone in the world which has been declared as SEZ for just one power plant. ये दुनिया में एक ही है which is declared as special economic zone just for one power plant, and this gives long-term tax exemption. Getting my point? This gives long-term tax exemption. Clear? So this plant is declared as special economic zone in 2019. ये कब declare किया गया? This was declared as special economic zone in 2019 and it uses 100% imported coal. ये पावर है इस जगह की. Getting my point? So Adani Power has a 25-year contract with Bangladesh Power Development Board. एक चीज याद रखिएगा, तो अडानी पावर के पास 25 इयर्स का कॉन्ट्रैक्ट है किसके साथ? बांग्लादेश पावर डेवलपमेंट बोर्ड. अब सवाल ये उठता है, नाउ मोहम्मद यूनुस एंड बीएमपी दे कैन नॉट डू एनीथिंग. गेटिंग माय पॉइंट? व्हाई? स्पेशल इकोनॉमिक जोन है. दिस इज एन इंटरनेशनल अग्रीमेंट. इंटरनेशनल अग्रीमेंट. And Mohammad Yunus and BMP, they cannot do anything. Clear? Because this is an international agreement. So if they try to tease India, then on the very next day Bangladesh would be in total blackout. अगर इंडिया को बिल्कुल भी ट्रबल करेंगे, so they will be in total blackout. Getting my point? And Bangladesh will go into the stone age. Clear? So अब यहां पर समझदारी क्या कहती है? That they should negotiate. Getting my point? बांग्लादेश को क्या करना है? Negotiate करना है. So if you see these things, so this is a kind of trap, a brilliant foreign policy like China do. Getting my point? तो आज के टाइम में अगर हम फॉरेन पॉलिसी की बात करते हैं ना, so energy security is everything. Remember this thing. When we talk about foreign policy, in today's world, energy security is everything. Like for example, India exports, like when we talk about energy security, so like India imports 85% of crude oil from Middle East. इंडिया क्या करता है? 85% जो है क्रूड ऑयल कहां से लेता है? मिडिल ईस्ट से लेता है. क्लियर? That is why India is dependent on Middle East. That is why India is not able to negotiate or India is not able to bargain with Middle East. Getting my point? So everything is connected. Clear? This is the reason why Bangladesh is not in a position to bargain with India. I hope this news is clear to all of you. This is the most important issue with respect to geopolitics. Thank you so much.